Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm recording this after the fact because I forgot to do an intro video because I got a call from Drew that said that his Jeep was dead in his in front of his house there. He parks there on the street. So I loaded up the Jeep, went up to him, and we got his Jeep inside his garage, so I had to actually use the winch and do kind of a recovery in his front yard, which was kind of fun. Basically the starter went bad on Warthog, so this video is going to be Drew and I replacing that starter to get him back on the trail and back on the road. So hopefully you enjoy, and now you're going to watch me drive to Columbus. So hey Drew, what are we doing today?
New starter and charging a battery.
Yeah, so what had happened, Drew said that, don't know why, but for some reason the starter just turned on Warthog, we're thinking.
Yeah, it's in first. I always park it in first and in gear so it doesn't move. And
until the starter kicks on.
Until the starter, I guess, for some reason, I don't know. We're figuring out, I think it's the key, right? That's what the wire is.
Mm-hmm.
There's the ignition wire is bare, and it was like quarter inch away from the new battery.
Yeah, so it's possible that wire. It touched and energized and kicked the starter in.
And then it like lurched forward because it stalled instantly.
Mm-hmm. The other possibility too is that if you had a weak battery for any reason, online it said that it could cause the solenoid to engage when it wasn't supposed to. So kind of cover all the bases, Drew just went ahead and got a new starter.
New one.
And about an hour to get the old one out.
Yeah, the top bolt is it's in a pain. I dropped the drive shaft because like the drive shaft was in the way of getting any leverage with a wrench or anything. I guess if you have like a flex head, that might help a little bit.
Yeah.
Or if you have a real powerful electric hand wrench.
Yeah.
But
So
I don't have either of those.
yeah, so got to do it.
Old school stuff.
Yeah. The fun part though was getting the Jeep actually in the garage.
Yeah,
So little recovery 101.
Into the garage. Well,
So-
at least we know we can do it.
Yeah. So, but I guess we're gonna throw the new starter in. Get rock and roll.
I gotta fix that wire.
Go for it. All right, everybody, so that's going to wrap up the install for a starter. Didn't really film too much of it just because it's underneath the Jeep. It's 2 bolts, very tight space, and the doggos want to come outside. But
Oh, sorry.
no, you're fine. But Jeep starts up now and got everything buttoned up, back together. So hopefully Drew will be good to get back on the trail and come down to the house on Saturday to do another install video.
You can show. There's a box right there.
A little preview. He's not going with the full kit, but we do have to replace the steering box. It is leaking, so basically your 2 options are tear it apart, replace the seal, rebuild it, or upgrade.
Upgrade.
So we're just gonna upgrade. Well, Drew's
I
upgrade.
mean, it took a lot of abuse. I mean, like again, 145,000 miles, and I've been on at least 35-inch tires for 115,000 of those miles.
And you're on
impressive.
37s now on a Dana 30, which the internet says is
It's a Dana Turdy.
yeah. It's
Yeah, but it's, I don't know. If you know me and my wheeling style, I feel like it's fine. I mean, I got an Artec truss. It's locked. Heavy duty ball joints, the leads. I mean,
he's put some money into it. He's upgraded it where it needs to be,
Yeah.
and he's not stupid with it. And I think that's the main thing is because it's real easy to get into a tight spot, and you think, hey, more skinny pedal will get you out. Whereas sometimes better just back off of it,
yeah.
pick a different line, go on it. So, but yeah, got him back on the road and taken care of. So this is gonna wrap up the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate y'all, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.